clients, but they don't follow the plan. They stop replying to my messages even after they have paid me, and they never transform. And at times, they also ask for refunds, even if I have provided what I have promised to them. If that sounds like you are like 90% of coaches who think that their service is out of the world, but asli mein service out of the world nahi hai. So, here are the seven systems you need to add to your coaching process to get life-changing results for 90% plus of your clients, right? 87 to 90% of your clients. That essentially means that agar 10 people join your service, 8 to 9 of them should get life-changing results no matter what. And 10 to 20% of them, it's fine for them to drop out because again, we are humans with complex lives and we have a lot of things to do. But अगर इतने लोग भी transform नहीं हो रहे हैं, then there is a big issue. And from my experience, I'll tell you that if you don't have a good service, your business would not grow, your marketing would never be effective, neither your sales process would be effective. Those who don't know me, my name is Yashvardhan Swami. I have a couple of companies in the fitness space. The main parent company is called Trained by YBS, where we help people transform and make it the last time they are dieting. We also help upcoming coaches and PTs like you start and scale your business to up to 2 crore rupees per annum. And that is our Instagram page. Other Instagram pages at the rate Trained by YBS. The unique thing about us is that we ourselves have a fitness coaching company called Trained by YBS, which we are still running. So that's why. Plus, we have a lot of transformations. That's why we are. That's why I'm talking about this. And one of the biggest lessons which I've learned in my own business is that if you have a great service, and even if your business skills are a little low, still you'll succeed and grow. First few years of my career, 2017 to 2019. My only focus was making sure my clients are getting results, and still my business grew to great numbers. I think it grew past seven figures and possibly multiple seven figures in 2020 also, right? So keep in mind, and when I started learning business, I realized that one of the biggest business lessons which I had known unconsciously was that if your service is life changing, you would get clients no matter what. If you provide value to people, you'll get clients no matter what. And now in 2024, what I see is there are hundreds and thousands of coaches, but most coaches do not have a great service. How do we get to know of that? Postable results. They are not posting enough results on their Instagram profile. If you're not posting enough results on your Instagram profile, even if you're the best coach in the on the planet, people won't know. Because see, market has become sophisticated now. So sophisticated market where you need to show that I am the best person because there are thousands of coaches who are saying that I am a great coach, but 90% of them don't have results to show. So today we'll understand the seven systems you need to add to your coaching process to get life changing results. गाइज ये आपको कोई और नहीं सिखाएगा मतलब ये सर्टिफिकेशंस भी आपको ये चीजें नहीं सिखाती बिकॉज सर्टिफिकेशंस गिव यू नॉलेज what I am teaching you comes from experience and knowledge also, I would say. So, even if you have pursued 10, I've seen so many people who have pursued 10 certifications, but their clients don't get results. They ask for refunds, they never transform. So let's get into it this. Principles से start करते हैं. As you know that, at FBA, our principle number one is to help you build a principle-based business. So before teaching anything, I believe in teaching you why I'm teaching you this. Okay, so if your service does not actually change lives, no amount of marketing would help you grow. ये चीज याद रख लो दुनिया का कोई भी फनल डाल लो कुछ भी बेस्ट कंटेंट क्रिएटर भी बन जाओ वर्ल्ड के thousands of lakhs of followers भी आ जाएं you won't be able to get your business going and growing at least in the longer run. Reason for that is in today's world market मैंने आपको बताया sophisticated है. Your customer is seeing thousands of coaches talking about these things, right? Thousands of coaches creating good content. Thousands of coaches with 100K, 200K, 300K creating good content, but these people have negligible leads, negligible clients. What is the reason for that? Because they don't understand that till the time you talk about your insights and how you are different, insights and how you are different, differentiation, people won't be interested in your services. They might be interested to follow you, but they won't be interested in your service. So that one thing which you need to work upon, and that always starts with understanding your ICA and building a great service, right? Most coaches I've talked to in the last year think that their coaching process and service is very good, right? Lot of you guys, I mean, I'm pretty sure 70-80% of people would have just seen the title of this video and would have skipped on this because coaches don't have self-awareness. It's as simple as that. कोचेस थिंक कि इनकी सर्विस आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है, कोई क्लाइंट प्लान फॉलो नहीं कर रहा तो उनकी गलती है. Because see, this becomes a complex thing, and if someone is not following the plan, you think it's client's fault. I've seen coaches who say that, I get 50, 100 clients every month, but मेरे सारे clients, my clients are lazy. If your clients are lazy, that means you are lazier, right? Keep in mind, if you don't have enough postable transformations on your page every month, at least 3 to 5, depending upon your stage. Obviously, if you are a beginner, if you don't have a lot of clients, I would say 1 to 2. But if you are already at a certain level, 3 to 5 nahi hai, then it is an issue. And I'll talk about multiple issues. Chances are कि आपकी service में भी issue नहीं है, कुछ और issue है. I will get to that. Others who always on the other spectrum, I believe as of now, my number might be incorrect, but in my current mastermind, I think there are 7 people who would 100% become crorepati this year, out of which 5 of them are already at a 1 crore rupees per annum run rate. That means they're already making 6, 7, 8 lakh rupees per month already. 5 of them are already there. I see another 5 of them within the next 3 months getting to that level. So these 10 people, or let's assume this number to be 7 right now. These 7 people who are at 1 crore rupees per annum, uh, इनके में सबसे कॉमन चीज मैंने पता क्या देखी है, that they always feel that their service can improve. Always. मतलब first चीज जो करते हैं ये, I have these names in my mind right now on top of my head. Whenever they talk to me, their first question is in relation to service. How can I improve my service? Right? How can I improve my onboarding? How can I improve my other processes? So, guys, the biggest winners I have worked with so far, right? I would say these 10 winners. I wouldn't say others are not winners, but जो ये चीज मैंने commonality देखी है, because obviously when it comes to growth and getting a business to 1 crore per annum, there are a lot of factors, but this factor was common amongst all of these. Service. Being obsessed with service and always thinking that their service is not good. On the other spectrum, there are these people who think their service is out of the world, right? So, फोकस रखो इस चीज पे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं अपना भी आपको एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. माय बिजनेस स्किल्स weren't the best back in the day. Still, my business was growing like crazy, and the main reason was the transformations, right? Because transformations are it's straightforward. You'll get referrals and renewals, right? Uh, Now, a lot of you might have become aware and might be thinking, yeah, my service can improve for sure. And here's how you fix it. Number one, under promise and over deliver, right? This is happens when coaching starts and you start with your coaching process. This जब आपका coaching process start हो रहा है उससे पहले, right? This happens while marketing and sales, right? अब human nature हमारा क्या है? We end up over promising but end up over under delivering because हमें माइंड में लगता है दिस पर्सन हैज ऑलरेडी पेड मी मनी, अब कौन सा इस बंदे ने पैसे वापस पे करने हैं मुझे. ये माइंडसेट डजंट वर्क बिकॉज इफ यू हैव दिस माइंडसेट you would always keep on chasing clients instead of clients chasing you, because one of the main ways to grow your business is to get your business to 1 to 2 crore rupees run rate per year is to make sure your clients are renewing with you, right? And it is the easiest and the fastest way to double your business because you're literally just doing what you have promised, right? So before your service start working on this, that means on your marketing and on your sales, first start with service actually. Service को next level करो. Then marketing और sales करते हुए do not over promise, under promise and over deliver. वो आप कैसे करोगे कि आपने सर्विस इतनी नेक्स्ट लेवल बना दी है कि you can still sell when you are under promising, right? Most people do the opposite. Most coaches act like their services will change lives, but in actuality, it's shit and unproven to work. What do I mean to say? अब it's shit might not be that आप जान के ये चीज कर रहे हो. It might be shit in relation to the service which your customers require, right? So That is what. So how do we do that? Number one, सबसे पहले तो आप you start fixing your service. I'll get to that in a second. But marketing और sales में ध्यान रखो कि have a very clear offer in clear terms and conditions. Try to promise less and deliver more, and it's an automatic win. Why? Because when you are going out of the way while coaching, you'll change the game. It's as simple as that. Right? So under promise and over deliver, Karan. This starts with your marketing and sales, but in actuality, it starts with your service. First thing which you should do is make service so undeniable that you can actually under promise and still sell. Next is have a killer onboarding process. Buyer's remorse की बात कर देते हैं. बहुत बार I've talked about this a lot of times. That whenever a prospect makes a payment, they feel guilty of anything, right? It's called buyer's remorse. मतलब as soon as they sign up for your service, उनका mood नीचे चले जाता है your buyers का, right? Mood नीचे चला गया. How do you take care of this, right? Solution of this is making sure that your onboarding process is seamless and killer, and you show double the excitement as you were showing on sales calls. लोग क्या गलती करते हैं कि सेल कॉल कन्वर्जन प्रोसेस के टाइम पे बहुत तेज है, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी फास्ट, रिप्लाईज आर फास्ट एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स, बट एज सून एज समवन मेक्स अ पेमेंट, रिप्लाई स्लो हो जाते हैं, एनर्जी नीचे चली जाती है, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर जस्ट स्पेंडिंग ऑल द टाइम चेजिंग न्यू क्लाइंट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ चेंजिंग लाइफ्स ऑफ देयर करंट क्लाइंट्स. So how do we do that? Number one option is personalized high energy voice note or high energy video while onboarding. As soon as someone onboards, you create a video. Hi, Mr. X, what's up? Hope you're well. Super excited to have you on board and blah blah blah. Right? At Team FBA, we give our clients a script for that, but you get the point, right? That high energy hona chahiye. You walk them through the next steps, and that's it. So as soon as someone makes the payment, this process should be super quick, and this process should be super clear. Clear, matlab explain them the next steps because they themselves don't know the process. You as a coach have taught this process hundreds of times, but understand करो आपके client के लिए first time है this coaching, right? जितनी आप clearly process समझा सकते हो उतना better है. And if this can be process can be personalized and quick, that's always better. Personalized कैसे कर सकते हो? Just talk about their goal again, whatever their goal is, and make sure this is quick. This part is very important. Faster it is, better it is. In our team at Trained by IVS, we have one member who specifically works on just onboarding, just to make sure that onboarding is quick. This was the onboarding system. Next system you need is a plan delivery system. The plan should be delivered professionally with all the necessary guidelines while opening doors for communication, right? A lot of you guys are already doing that कि plans professional लग रहा है, आपने guidelines वगैरह भी share कर दी है. Guidelines should be again clear step by step that Mr. X, I'm delivering your plan. Step one, go through these files. Step two, list questions. Step three, let's get on a call. Again, if you like going on a call with your clients at this stage, let's get on a call. ये भी आपने clearly बार बार चीजें बोलनी है. बहुत बार as coaches हम सोचते हैं कि यार ये तो बड़ी common sense चीज है. This is like common sense. How does that even matter? But common sense is this is common sense for you, but not for someone who is opting for online coaching for the first time, right? Plus, you open doors for communication. आप बड़ी clearly कहोगे that feel free to reach out if you have any questions, right? Multiple times आपने client को comfortable बनाना है. हम बहुत बार सोचते हैं कि यार ये तो obvious ही if someone is making the payment they would message us. No, people are not comfortable. So आपने बार बार इस चीज पे आपने focus करना है that you can ask as many questions as you like, and asking questions is a good thing. It's not a dumb thing, right? Exactly step by step clarity दो and next steps with clear instruction. बहुत बेसिक टिप है, हमें कॉमन सेंस लगता है, बट ये करो. स्टेप वन क्या करना है उन्होंने, स्टेप टू क्या करना है, स्टेप थ्री, स्टेप फोर एंड स्टेप सो ऑन, राइट? कीप इन माइंड आपने हंड्रेड्स ऑफ टाइम्स प्लान डिलीवर किया होगा, आपके क्लाइंट के लिए फर्स्ट टाइम है. मेक मेक दिस अ स्टार. ऑल्सो अनदर थिंग, जितनी फास्ट आप प्लान डिलीवरी जितना क्विक और क्लियर ये प्रोसेस होगा उतने ज्यादा लोग प्लान फॉलो करेंगे. बहुत बार क्या होता है, ये दिस पार्ट इज एन इशू जिसकी वजह से प्रोस्पेक्ट गेट्स कंफ्यूज्ड, एंड कंफ्यूज पर्सन की क्या प्रॉब्लम है, दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू फॉलो द प्लान स्पेशली इफ दे आर बिजी इन देयर लाइफ, राइट? कीप दिस प्रोसेस एज पर्सनलाइज एज पॉसिबल, स्पेशली द प्लान एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. अब आपको यहाँ बैठ के मैं ये नहीं सिखाऊंगा प्लान कैसे बनाना है ऑब्वियसली ऑल्दो हम एफबीए मेंबर्स को ईएमयू certification करवाते हैं, which comes with templates to make sure that they understand our process, how we create plans. Next thing which is very important is having a quick result system, right? Guys, here I would like to explain something called law of selling. You are selling all the time. That means you have to sell the पहले आपने करी सेल क्या करी कोचिंग now you have to sell that my coaching works, right? How can you sell that your coaching works? By making sure they start seeing results. वरना क्या होगा? First few days they don't see results, their motivation would go and they'll stop following the plan, right? So you need to sell to your client that your process works. आपने एक वे से कर लिया था, but फिर से करना है आपने by showing them results. Because till the time they don't see results, everything is up in the air, right? Although this would be a little subjective and would depend upon your coaching style, but understand that you should get results as fast as possible because जितनी जल्दी results आएंगे इस पे studies भी हो रखी हैं faster they see impact of your coaching longer they stay for your coaching तो ये बड़ी important चीज है keep that in mind and this is very important so fast results at least in the first few weeks is an importance but again मैंने आपको बता दिया अगर आपका coaching style एकदम opposite है आप believe ही करते हो कि slow ही होने चाहिए that's a different story but I like running these things based off human nature right? Try to get results as fast as possible, and that's what. And keep in mind, selling doesn't end with the client making a payment. It has to continue as long as you're coaching them because you have to sell them on the future. You have to sell them on your service works, right? So you need to prove yourself with the results that your service works. ये बहुत important है लोग भूल जाते हैं इस part पे. This is very important. So within the first few days when motivation levels are highest, the plan should start showing results. Again, कुछ cases में ये नहीं हो पाएगा, but if that is happening consistently, मतलब आपके देखो 10% लोगों को starting में results कम आए, that's fine, but 10% से ज़्यादा ये number that would be an issue, right? And results are the best motivator and बहुत important है for long-term renewals and everything else also. Next, you should have an assessment system. सबसे बड़ी कोचेस गलती क्या करते हैं दे थिंक दैट मेन पार्ट ऑफ द कोचिंग इज डिलीवरिंग द प्लान गाइस प्लान इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड इफ दे गो ऑन गूगल 100 प्लान मिल जाएंगे 1000 प्लान मिल जाएंगे उनको राइट बट दिस इज फार फ्रॉम द ट्रूथ द मेन पार्ट इज देम फॉलोइंग द प्लान राइट द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट प्लान इज वर्थलेस इफ इट इज नॉट बीइंग फॉलोड राइट इमेजिन करो आपने 100 सर्टिफिकेशंस कर ली हैं बट आप किसी को कोच नहीं कर रहे would that help anyone? No, right? Same goes for this. अगर plan follow नहीं किया जा रहा है, then there might be issue with the plan creation. But a lot of times there's issue with accountability because we as most humans know how to lose fat. Assuming your niche is fat loss, so fat loss लोगों को पता है कैसे करना है यार. Then how do we make sure that people transform? People would only transform if they follow the plan because most of coaching is about actually plan good plan obviously matters but accountability right so ideally there should be a check-in system daily check-ins का option भी होना चाहिए and weekly check-ins का भी होना चाहिए daily check-in should be obviously quick weekly check-in should take like 3 to 5 minutes per client up to 7 minutes in a few cases but 2 to 5 minutes and up to 7 minutes depending upon the case weekly check-ins should be reviewed over voice notes और personalized videos तो voice note की जगह CC video बना दो and और calls if that's your style अब एक चीज ये याद रखो weekly calls are not necessary at times they would be required but necessary नहीं है बहुत सारे coaches क्या कर रहे हैं खुद का टाइम भी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं क्लाइंट का टाइम भी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं by getting on calls see calls should be there a part of service but if you're getting calls on your clients weekly you would get limited you won't be able to grow and fact of the matter is you don't need weekly calls it's been like 4 years we haven't been getting on weekly calls and our clients are the happiest right now right I personally find getting on calls a wastage of time because if something can be reviewed over a voice note or a video message for the most part why get on a call right every week you get on a call you get burnt out soon right do you want to get burnt out also if you're a beginner if you don't have a lot of clients then you can get on weekly calls कोई दिक्कत नहीं but once you have reached a level then I would want efficiency फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो एंड फॉर यू ऑल्सो, राइट? क्लाइंट्स भी आपके वेले नहीं बैठे, कीप इन माइंड, दिस इज बाय द वे, क्लाइंट्स का भी फायदा होता है इफ दे एंड अप सेविंग टाइम, राइट? बिकॉज दे आर बिजी इन देयर ओन लाइफ्स, right? And this is obviously not scalable even for your coaches, and their need can be totally removed if you have proper check-in systems set up via voice notes or video messages. ये बहुत important. अगर ये setup नहीं है, then you would need calls, right? So what I would suggest is, as a beginner, you can get on weekly calls, but once you have worked with, I would say, 50 to 100 clients, then you can move to voice notes, and that would sort it out. नेक्स्ट वी नीड इज अ केयर सिस्टम। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ये, मैंने खुद इनकलकेट 2021 में ही किया। इंट्यूटिवली होता था पहले, बट ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। 99% ऑफ द टाइम्स सैड क्लाइंट्स ड्रॉप आउट, और या ड्रॉप्ड आउट क्लाइंट्स आर रिजल्ट ऑफ लैक ऑफ केयर। ये चीज याद रखो, लैक ऑफ केयर इज द इशू, राइट? What does your care system look like? When your clients are going through ups and downs in their life or results, you need to support them, right? You need to follow up with them rigorously, efficiently, and you need to be empathetic with them. This is very important. बड़ी छोटी सी चीज है, but this changes the game, because once they are going through ups and downs, and if you just follow up on that and you show support, they would be like कि यार दुनिया में मेरी फैमिली या फ्रेंड्स मेरे को इतना सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे जितना ये कोच सपोर्ट कर रहा है। दिस इज अ ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन थिंग, एंड ये चीज मैंने नोटिस करी बहुत क्लाइंट्स में। आई हैड सम क्लाइंट्स who were not even following the plan efficiently, but they stayed with me on the top package for almost year, 2 years. Why? Because they knew that, I was being empathetic with them. We had a care system in place, right? So that's something which you need to add. Care system कैसे add होगा? Obviously आप हर केस को याद नहीं रखते. At FBA we use, while scaling, we use something called the traffic light system, so that just through one sheet we are able to track all of our clients, all of the clients of our team also, right? If you have a team, that becomes very, very important, having a system like this. Uh, and this would work even if your coaches are working with hundreds of clients. I think our running clients are very high at Trained by IBS right now. I don't understand. I don't remember the exact number, but it would be above 350, 350 to 500 easily right now. And remember this: everyone is happy. 90% of them are happy. At times होता है once in a month कोई एक आधा client आ जाता है who's sad, and a lot of times हमारी गलती भी होती है, right? One thing which I will tell you very clearly is that we are also humans. We also make mistakes. At times हमारी गलती भी होती है, but most of the times this issue does not arise. Why? Because we have a traffic light system which changes the game. So that's something which we inculcate with all of our FBE members जो scale कर रहे हैं अभी, राइट? मास्टरमाइंड में जो स्केल कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज उस केस में बड़ा जरूरी है, बिकॉज इनके केस में हम असिस्टेंट कोचेस हायर कर रहे हैं। तो अब कोच का आप कैसे ट्रैक करोगे? अब सारी चैट्स अगर आपको बार बार रीड करनी पड़ी, इफ यू आर रीडिंग ऑल द चैट, देन व्हाई डू यू इवन हायर अ कोच? बिकॉज इफ यू आर रीडिंग द चैट तो रिप्लाई भी खुद ही कर लो, राइट? सो वी नीड सिस्टम फॉर दैट, एंड ट्रैफिक लाइट सिस्टम वर्क्स वेल. Next you need is a future system. One of our jobs as a coach is to reset and renew goals for our clients, right? And show them a future vision, right? If a client comes to me for example, if someone is at 120 kgs, right, and they're like, I just want to get into double digits, but once they get at 105, I reset their goal, and instead of saying 99, I say let's get to 95. Then I get down to 80s, right, and so on. Why? ये क्यों करना आपने? Number one is you need to make sure you are the person whose responsibility is to bring them to their highest potential, right? So future system create करने के लिए हमें बहुत जरूरी है to reset the goals for the clients, and if this happens, they automatically understand that there would be a renewal involved without even pitching that, right? ये गलती मैंने भी बहुत बार करी थी, that lot of times when I was coaching clients and I was getting them life changing results, 12-week package के लिए आए हैं, life, I mean what is up with my writing, 12-week package के लिए आए हैं, लाइफ चेंजिंग रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं. आई यूज टू थिंक कि यार ऑब्वियसली ये तो कॉमन सेंस है, उनको पता ही होगा कि आगे भी रिजल्ट के लिए विल कंटिन्यू, एंड मैं पिच नहीं करता था रिन्यूअल, और रीसेट कर नहीं रहा था गोल. उस चक्कर में क्या हो रहा था, दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉप आउट एंड देन कम बैक टू मी आफ्टर अ फ्यू वीक्स कि यार प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो रही. Then I realized कि one of the jobs is I need to get very intentional with this. Mood के हिसाब से नहीं करना, getting very intentional with this and start sowing seed for nine. I mean 100 पे 95 पे करने लग जाओ, 120 पे 110 करने लग जाओ, and so on. Keep on showing them the future till the time you max out their potential, right? Max out करना अपने potential because we as humans always want to improve. At times, 10-15% times client would tell you that, okay, I'm happy with this, right? I want to continue on my own, which is fine, right? So what we do is at FBA and FB, what we do is we have created a system to create take detailed assessment calls while coupling this with a system of weekly check-ins to ensure we get automatic renewals. How do we get automatic renewals? By selling them on the future. Instead of saying, oh, take a renewal, no. We just reset the goal. And yeah, ये common sense है कि अब if someone is losing 15 kgs with me already, that person believes in me. That person is super duper nurtured. That person would be like, yes, if this person is saying 95, 95 पे भी लाएगा, 80 पे भी लाएगा और abs बोलेगा तो abs पे भी लाएगा, right? So just make sure you're selling your clients on the future. And like I mentioned, selling never stops. And that's what. This would automatically 10x your renewals. And if they are properly timed and properly pitched, this would literally 2x your business, right? अब एक और भी चीज बताता हूँ मैं काफी टाइम से ये ट्रेंड्स देख रहा हूँ लोगों के आई थिंक इट वाज हियर ये जो बिगेस्ट विनर्स हैं these people all of them get their biggest months when they have a lot of renewals, right? Renewal system in सबका बहुत strong है, right? Service or renewal system both go hand in hand, and renewal is very important for business, and referrals are very important. You want to 2x your business, get a renewal from everyone. You want to double it again, get a referral from everyone, right? Also, ये याद रखो, it's 10 times easier to keep your clients for longer than getting new clients to trust and buy in your service and then trusting your program again and everything else, right? At Team FBA, we learn systems to obviously get new clients every day, every month, and but this part is very important. ये कोई आपको नहीं सिखाएगा because no one teaching these things is running a business themselves. But we understand that, and that's what. बहुत important है. Do not, if you're watching this, do work on your service, right? इसके अलावा दो systems और चाहिए आपको. Number one, transformation system. You should also have a system to take transformations from your clients. I've seen so many good clients, good coaches who are getting results, but they don't ask for transformations. उनको शर्म आती है, right? Timing and the way you ask for them matters a lot. We have a system to, time that and asking for renewals. Uh, and that helps with taking transformations. अब इसमें भी याद रखो, every client won't say yes. Some people are not comfortable, but most would. Most would say yes, right? Some people are like not comfortable. That's fine. उनसे testimonial ले लो, video testimonial ले लो, before after नहीं डालनी तो. But this system is very important because that's the only way you can prove that your service changes lives. Because हर दूसरा coach कह रहा है यार my service will change your life. How can you differentiate? By just getting results. Next comes having a referral system. A system to get referrals from your clients. ये भी बहुत important है. ये हम we like mixing it up with the assessment calls, right? We have an assessment call system. We mix both together, and that changes the game. And if they give you referrals, you need to be super grateful and thanking them every time. Yeah, being grateful, abhi ye bhi badi common sense hai, but I have had clients who get me 10 referrals, even 20 referrals, right? अब वो 20 अलग अलग बार मेरे रेफरल आ रहे हैं, मेरे को पता that they are doing me a favor even at the stage of my business, right? If they are doing that 20 times, I message them with a voice note 20 times, right? So just be grateful for those who are getting you referrals, and if they are going out of the way for me, I go out of the way for them. That's human nature, right? And that's something which you need to do. A lot of times लोग क्या सोचते हैं यार ये बंदा रेफरल आ रहा है, ये तो चलो अपना ही बंदा, कोई बात नहीं. भाई, be grateful, remind them, right? Because this world has a shortage of grateful people, right? People are always complaining and blaming all the time instead of being grateful, right? Referral system karo. There's a way of politely asking for referrals, and that is what. Also, if you're someone who's looking to start and grow your business, guys, first thing which we need to work on at FBA is knowledge and service. That's the first thing we work on, and this is something which we keep on working on throughout the literally throughout the process, even at 1 CR, even at 2 CR. Uh, I mean, none of our clients are above 2 CR right now, but 1 CR run rate pe सारे हैं, तो obviously they would get to 2 CR eventually. Uh, so that is what knowledge and service is the most important thing. Even if you are a beginner, even if you have 100 certifications, or even if you have 100 clients, फर्स्ट चीज मैं आपसे कराऊंगा भाई, नॉलेज एंड सर्विस देखो. Yes, a lot of times you would have already installed some of these things in the business, but if you haven't, work on that, because that's base of building a brand. Then we build a brand, we attract our clients, right clients, by building undeniable offer. We charge our worth, learn how to set up a conversion system, how to get client results, and how do we post them, and systems for scaling and growth at our mastermind FBE. अभी इसके slots full है, because here literally I look into everyone's business every 6 weeks and help them scale. So that is what. So guys, that is what. So you need a system. You need no stone unturned method. इसका नाम मैंने no stone unturned क्यों रखा है? क्योंकि because if all of these things are dialed in and you keep on dialing in a better and a efficient manner, your business grows, right? There's no other way around it. And one of our bases is building your brand in your style. That's one of the most important things. And that is all. Thank you for watching. And that's what we do at Team FBA and even trained by YBS. I don't like holding back. I like teaching you guys because I know that, if I teach you guys, my business would grow. This is the highest level of honesty you can find. I know that, when you consume content like this, you'll realize that, dude, no one else is teaching this stuff. Okay, so if you are ready and want to take your business to the next level, fill the short form below, or just WhatsApp us here. Or if you follow us on Instagram, just DM us the word scale and we'll help you, right? Uh, and this is our Instagram link. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी case studies हैं. And guys, we have detailed trainings on our YouTube channel for literally all of these things. Just like check that out. Conversion system पे भी है. हर चीज पे, pricing पे, how do you price your services, everything. We have detailed trainings on this. Check out the YouTube channel and literally subscribe करो यार. I always forget, but yeah. Also on our FBA Instagram channel, Instagram, we have detailed case studies of teammates just like you who have grown, and literally that is what. And detailed frameworks like this, if you want to see the text of stuff like this and frameworks like this, that's available here. And that is what. And subscribe. About now, if you're like, okay, I don't want to join FBA, how can I help this person? This person is helping me. Subscribe kar lo and share. Subscribe, share, refer, right? If you're thinking that. If you're not thinking that, that's fine. I'll see you in another video. And thank you once again. Bye.